Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dima here, and today we are going to be making some Kaolin clay from these clay molds. So here I have about 3 different clay here. The molded ones which we are going to be using for the process, the rocky ones. This rocky one is actually used in making the molded ones. This is exactly how they are dug from the soil. They don't have sand in them, so they are actually smashed and molded into the ones that we are going to be using for this process. Now here is the regular smooth clay that you mostly see around. These ones have sand in them and they are salted. This is to make it pleasant for those who love to eat them. You can't use this for your hair. You can only eat them. Now that I've shown you all the clay types there is, so let's begin. I will start by smashing the molded clay into tiny pieces just to help me pound them in my mortar. Next, I'll take them bit by bit and pound into a smooth powder as I can. You can't completely get them smooth except you use a very sharp blender, dry mill blender, to do that. I'm scared of using my blender for this process because it might spoil it. So I decided to use my mortar to try my best to see how smooth I can get them. So guys, this is how far I can go using my mortar to pound this. This is exactly what I have in this tray. So I will go ahead and use my fine meshed sieve and sieve out all the particles out. This is to make sure that this clay comes out as smooth as possible. You don't want the particles stuck in your hair. guys, this is what the particles look like after sieving. So I'll go ahead and keep that aside for now and concentrate on the powder that I already sieved out. So this is how fine the powder looks, very smooth. This powder is just as smooth as the store-bought bentonite clay you usually buy out there, and that's the particle that would have been stuck in your hair if you did not sieve it out. So I'll go ahead and gather all that together. Please do not forget that you can go ahead and pound the chaff or particles just to get some more powder, which can add up to the one that you already have. So I'll go ahead and transfer the fine powder into an airtight container. In my next video, I will show you how you can use this to cleanse your hair. Please do not forget to check out my other video on clay addiction. I have another video about my weird picker craving where I explained in details about this clay. Please do well to check that out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to smash the like button before leaving, and also share this video with friends. Please stay safe and remain blessed. See you in my next one. Bye.